Have you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to choose what to watch on Netflix or what to order at a restaurant? This is the paradox of choice in action. In The Paradox of Choice, Why More is Less, Barry Schwartz explains how having too many choices can lead to anxiety, dissatisfaction, and even decision paralysis. In this summary, we'll explore the key ideas from the book with examples that you can relate to in your daily life. 1. The problem with too many choices. Barry Schwartz argues that while having choices is important for freedom and autonomy, too many choices can make life stressful. Instead of feeling empowered, we become anxious about making the wrong decision. Example: imagine going to a supermarket to buy jam. If there are only 6 flavors, choosing is easy. But if there are 24 flavors, you might feel overwhelmed, spend too much time deciding, and leave feeling unsatisfied, worrying if you picked the right one. 2. Maximizers versus satisficers. Schwartz categorizes decision-makers into 2 types. Maximizers, people who strive to make the absolute best choice. Satisficers, people who make decisions that are good enough. Maximizers tend to spend more time and energy making decisions and often feel regret even after choosing. Satisficers, on the other hand, are generally happier because they don't overanalyze every option. Example: if a maximizer and a satisficer are buying a new phone, the maximizer will research every brand, read hundreds of reviews, and still wonder if they made the right choice. The satisficer will find a phone that meets their needs and move on without regret. 3. Choice paralysis, when too many options prevent decision-making. When faced with too many options, we often delay making a choice or avoid it altogether. This is called choice paralysis. Example: have you ever scrolled through Netflix for 30 minutes without picking a movie? The more choices we have, the harder it becomes to make a decision. 4. The cost of opportunity, why more choices lead to less satisfaction. The more options we have, the more we worry about what we might be missing. This is called opportunity cost. Even after making a decision, we often regret it, wondering if another choice would have been better. Example: if you buy a new laptop and later see another model with a slightly better feature, you may feel regret, even if your laptop is perfectly fine. 5. How to make better decisions and reduce choice anxiety. Barry Schwartz suggests several ways to deal with the paradox of choice. Limit choices, reduce the number of options you consider. Embrace satisficing, aim for good enough instead of perfect. Practice gratitude, focus on what you have instead of what you might have missed. Set personal standards, decide what's important in advance to avoid endless comparisons. More choices don't always lead to more happiness. In fact, too many choices can cause stress, dissatisfaction, and regret. By simplifying decisions and embracing satisficing, we can make better choices and feel happier with them. What decisions have overwhelmed you recently? Try applying these strategies and see if they help.